Welcome on board, and I would like to thank each and everyone for signing our program. I'm very happy you all are in our course, and today I would like to talk to you about mindset before you proceed further. Anything when you want to do, you need to have a very strong mindset. The energy what you have in the beginning, it has to be continued till the end. I see some people have lots of interest, but down the line, when it becomes tough or when they don't get that result, they try to step out. It's not that. No matter what happens, if once you have set your mind that I need to work on this, I need to get succeed on this, you need to have a growth mindset. We all generally have two mindsets: fixed mindset and growth mindset. Today, I would like to tell you, before proceeding further for other courses, what is fixed mindset is and what is growth mindset is. Before that, I would also like to add, why do we need to have a strong mindset? Because a strong mindset is what allows you to stay focused on your intentions instead of negative thoughts. It's what helps you understand that struggle is impermanent and won't derail your success. It keeps you from making self destructive decisions. Do you know the value of growth mindset and how to develop? Let me tell you how the fixed mindset people act. The person who doesn't succeed is often blocked by a fixed mindset. That is, this person believes they were born with certain qualities, both positive and negative, and that they are largely fixed throughout life. Whereas growth mindset can, with time, effort, and practice, acquire and improve skills and abilities to accomplish things previously thought impossible. So, where are you now? Are you in a fixed mindset or in a growth mindset? No matter whatever you were before, now make your mindset in a growth mindset. Let me tell you some practical steps to develop a growth mindset. Both mindsets are products of lifelong experiences, observations, and education. But with practice, determination, and effort, you can develop a growth mindset. Here are some practical tips which I have been following. Number one, first, you must believe that you can do it. Use a daily mantra or a similar device. Convince yourself you are capable of all the change you need. Probably it might take some work to instill this in yourself, but by reminding yourself of the payoff, growth, and accomplishment, I'm sure you can do it. Number two, stop blaming circumstances or others for your shortcomings. You have to recognize you're responsible for your own future and for making the most of your innate talents and abilities. So, the next time you hear yourself blaming something or someone, take a step back, own up to your responsibility, identify the lessons, and move on. Number three, allow yourself to fail. As uncomfortable as that may be, it's essential that you try and fail again. Every failure is a stepping stone on the path of success. I need not say more on this, it's a very famous quote. Number four, leave your comfort zone and become at home operating outside it. I mean to say, push yourself and grow. Number five, be aware of the green eyed monster, envy. I mean, when faced with another person's success, think, I will use their success as a model for what I want to achieve. Use admiration as a tool to guide you along the road to succeed. Do not get jealous. Probably initially, even I had this when somebody succeeds, I think, oh my God, how did they succeed? I was feeling a little jealous. But later down the line, as I got into them, then I started following their steps to succeed. So I wasn't jealous with them. I started to admire them, and they were my inspiration. You can also do this. Last, let your ego go. If you want to shine and excel, you have to be prepared to challenge your ego, limiting beliefs, and assumed limitations. This is how you can develop a growth mindset. Probably you might find it difficult. It's just all about the decision what you take. Right attitude never gets into a wrong direction. So check out how you want to do it. You might be wondering why am I telling this before the course starts? Because all about the mindset. People when you start getting into this course, they may give you many comments. Okay, why do you want to do this course now? Do you think it's going to be helpful? It's a recorded messages. How are you going to do this? People are there to give lots of comment, but that shouldn't demotivate you. You have made up a mind to study and you are taking all your steps to do this. So see that you continue no matter what comes, no matter who says, no matter when you get time. Get set, go. Thank you.